Okay, I'm going to help you guys in workout number 1. Let's read the directions. It says, for each pair of equations, determine whether the second equation is the result of a valid operation on the first. If so, what is the operation? Well, let's look at the first equation here. To begin solving that, is there a step that you could do that would result in this? And the answer to that would be yes, there is. To start solving that equation, couldn't I add 2x, cancels out on this side, what you do to one side, you do the other, and then that would be 7 plus 7x equals 3, which is exactly what that is. So yes, it is the result of a valid operation, and that operation was adding 2x to the other side. And that's all you got to do for each one. Okay guys, let me know if you need me.